First, check the accessories and tools needed. Measure the floor level of the doorway before installation. Keep both sides at the same height. Start to install the tracks on both sides of the door. After fixing the connecting pieces, lubricate the rubber strips on the inside of the slots. Insert the rubber strip into the resetable chute. Fix the track in the connecting piece with screws. Adjust the tracks to the same level. Then put the curtain into the reset wheel. Next, route the built-in infrared photo eye, corresponding to the black and blue ports on both sides of the door header connected to the cable. Make sure to mark the A and B wires in advance. And then along the door head box against the wall side of the wire prefix good. The next step is to install the motor. Fix the motor bracket on the motor first. Install the shock absorbing pads. Align the pin holes. Install the motor and fix it with screws. After the door frame is fixed, then you can stand up the door. Use the screws to connect the fixing holes on both sides of the door header box to the wall. Be careful to distinguish between different walls. If it is a steel structure wall, small holes in the self-tapping nails to fix. If it is insulation board, use mushroom head nuts to fix the large holes. If there is a gap between the rail and the wall does not fit, loosen the screws of the connecting piece. Tap the rail with a hammer. Make the track fit the wall. Next, fix the wires on the left side of the track. Pull out the wires at the infrared port a little bit. Follow the same method of securing all the wires on the left side of the track. Then level the door with a spirit level. Keep the door perpendicular to the wall. During the adjustment process, you need to observe whether the curtain runs smoothly up and down. The curtain is too tight or too wrinkled. Adjustment can be made by adjusting the screws on the track. After loosening the fixed screws on the connecting piece, the curtain can be adjusted left and right. After adjusting the curtain, make sure the curtain is not too tight or wrinkled. Then you can fix the left and right side of the track. After fixing, close the cover of the track. Fix the cover plate with screws.